messages or mail has been sent to the dumpster. And if we go here to updates, you will actually... Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can clean up your Gmail inbox. So are you like me, where you have almost more than 10,000 of emails in your Gmail inbox, and you've been thinking like, most of these mails here doesn't even make sense to me, like I don't even care about these. Like, for example, who cares about you, Samuel Martin? I don't even know you. And why do I keep receiving so many messages or questions from Quora? And we want to get rid of that. So I have two methods that I will be showing today. And the first one will be organizing your email. And no, not really just organizing it like a bookshop. No. It's all for the purpose of deleting all of those unnecessary emails. So follow me on this one. So the first thing that we need to do is to head over here in the top right corner of the screen and click on settings. And then after that, we go to see all settings. And now here we will see all the settings that Gmail has to offer. And now what we need to do is head over here to inbox. And we need to check the updates. So what this does is it will create a separate inbox or email inbox for all that is just updates, like for example Samuel Martin over here and Quora Digest. So its description says it's automated messages that may not need immediate attention, so just like the useless stuff. Okay, so let's go here on updates, and then let's click on save changes. And once we go here back to inbox, and then let's reload this or refresh our inbox, you can see that most of it has been disintegrated. At least not most, but some of it, at least like more than 1,000 messages or mail has been sent to the dumpster. And if we go here to updates, you will actually see that indeed it is over here. Although, why is Samuel Martin still here? Okay, so now once we're here on updates, it's been separated from the rest of our inbox. Now we can start deleting those that we don't care about. Now we know that if we start deleting all the stuff here, it doesn't really matter. It won't affect a lot of our work. It won't affect some of our important things because these are just mostly spam. So let's say from the LinkedIn job alerts, I'm getting pissed at so many of these LinkedIn job alerts. So how do we delete all of their letters in order to free up some more space? What we will need to do is right click on the sender of the email, which is LinkedIn job alerts. I'm gonna right click on that, and then let's click here on find emails from LinkedIn job alerts. And what it will do is it will show us all of this, so many. And in order to delete that, we need to click here on the checkbox here on select, and so it says here that all 50 conversations on this page are selected. But we also have this button here that says select all conversation that match this search, and that means selecting everything that is LinkedIn job search, not only the 50 in this page, but everything since time immemorial. So let's click on clear selection. Oh no, sorry. Let's do that again, and then let's go to delete here. Sorry, I mistook clearing for deleting. So it says here confirm bulk action, and this will delete everything about LinkedIn. Let's click OK. And that should begin the purge of LinkedIn. It says here that we move some conversations to the trash. We'll do the same thing for any remaining conversation in a few minutes. And this might take longer because we chose everything. So even if we do that all over again, delete all over again, it will be the same thing that appears there. Because it will take some time before it will delete everything. So all we need to do now is just wait. And in order to properly delete everything, we'll need to head over to trash, where we will see all of the LinkedIn job alerts. And also from you, Samuel Martin, I hate you. I'm gonna right click on this guy and then click on find emails from Samuel Martin. Click that. Delete. I am so pissed at you, Samuel Martin. I don't want to see it ever again. And finally, Samuel Martin is gone from my Gmail inbox. Hallelujah. And also let's delete forever the ones that are here in the trash. So once you delete the email that you have in your inbox, it doesn't really get permanently deleted immediately. You need to head over to trash here, and you need to start deleting this manually in order to delete them forever and really free up space on your Gmail. And that's it. That is how you can clean your inbox on Gmail. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.